Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to vectorize your image using AI tool. Here you can search for image vectorizer AI, and here you can find out different websites and platforms. Let me scroll down and open this tool website. Now we can create a free account. You can create your account with Facebook as well as your Google account. Okay, now account is ready. Now we can add the image here. Let me select this one and then click on Vectorize. Here you can see it has started working on it. Within few seconds image will be ready. So guys, here you can see image is vectorized. You can save this image by clicking this button, and then you can open this image in your browser.